Reliance industry to invest to $110 billion in AI. आप लोगों ने देखा जो Indian Reliance industry to invest $110 billion in AI. The company is building a multi-gigawatt AI ready-to-data center park expected to come online by end of 2026. Reliance industry invest आप लोगों ने देखा जो 110 million to build largest scale data center and other artificial intelligence service. The latest string of high-profile announcements this week enabled boosting the Indians trading in the global AI race. Ambani declared that one of the Indian rich and best-known executives said the company will reach gigawatt-scale data center and aim to deliver reliable, high-quality, affordable AI service for both big business and ordinary consumers. रुहानी पूर ब्लूमबर्ग न्यूज रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री ने जो 110 billion to build large-scale data center and offer artificial intelligence service, the latest steering in high profitable announcement this week and to boosting the Indian standing in the global AI race. For the Indian industry and consumer gain will invest 10 trillion rupees equivalent to 110.13 billion over the next 7 years. Chairman Indian Adani Group to invest $100 billion in AI infrastructure. The conglomerate's investment would be boost to the country ambitious to become a global leader to artificial intelligence. Tata Group and OpenAI from partnership to develop AI data center. Indian Tata Group of OpenAI are teaming up to offer artificial intelligence service. The latest deal aimed at advancing the South Asian country position in the global AI race. Dixon Technologies share under AI attack. CLSA downgrade stock correction and more. Share of Dixon Technology are down 38% from their 52-week high in 5 months. The electronic manufacturing service AMC, which downgrade has received a downgrade from global brokers CLSA and CLSA downgrade the stock to hold on from the outperforms and period is the price target by 23% to reach 12,100 from reach 15,800 earlier. The received price target amount to be a potential upside of just 5% from the previous close. According to the brokerage, smartphone volume are at risk at higher memory cost would jack up average selling price by 10 to 25%, impacting the lower end consumer segment. The brokerage project risks to low end smartphone demand and the medium term growth. It says that memory industry is entering a super cycle led by AI, driven demand for high bandwidth memories and DDR5, while the mainstream storage faced tightening supply and reaching cost. Global manufacturers are prioritizing high main AI-grade memory. This could be a damper for the Indian being imposed for this global supply sequence. And meanwhile, in the current session, Dixon Technology stock split for the third straight data. Stock was down 1.72% to 11,325 on BSE. Market cap of the film fell to 68,860 crore. Turnover stood at 10.05 crore at 9,002 shares of the firm. Since highs of BSE, shares of Dixon Technology are trading lower than 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 50 days, 100 days, 150 days and 200 days. Moving average signaling the trend is the bearish for the market leader in this segment. Hindustan Unilever approves 2,000 crore investment for the premium category capacity expansion of Hindustan Unilever Limited Board approved 2,000 crore investment on February 18, 2026 for expanding manufacturing capacity and premium beauty and well-being and the home care categories over 2 years. The strategy and united focus on high-growth segments including premium skincare, hair care and home care, liquids, leveraging advanced automation and digital technologies. All new facilities will operate on 100% renewable energy, supporting the company's sustainability agenda while building a future-ready manufacturing network. Hindustan Unilever Limited Board has approved a substantial investment plan to strengthen its position in premium consumer goods categories. The board meeting held on February 18, 2026 and resulted in approximately 1,000 crore capacity expansion inevitability targeting high growth market segments and parameter investment amount 2,000 crore. Implementation period 2 years. Target categories beauties and well-being, home care. Focus area premium skin care, hair care, personal care, home care, liquid and location multiple location. Or gold rate and silver HDA live makes gold reclaims and 1.56 lakhs, silver as 24K, 22K and 18K, gold. और जो gold rates and silver rates makes are trading cautiously following the trend in international price as FOMC minutes hinted at more hawkish since and the upcoming monetary policy. In the early trade, makes gold reclaims above gas 1.56 lakhs per grams. 10 grams mark will make silver's performance around 3.44 lakhs to 2.46 lakhs per kg, both head up by precious metal and marginally higher. Trend TCS Tata Investment Tata Existent in Tata stock lost and raised 2.1 lakhs crore MCAP in 2026. Then Tata Group stock have seen an erosion of raised 2.11 lakhs crore in the third combined market capitalization in 2026 so far. As many as 19 out of 25 listed Tata Group stock have traded up to 16% lower in the first 2 months of the year. The combined market capitalization MCAP of these companies has declined 5.16% to reach 26,247 crore as of February 18 from reach 27,62.632 crore as of December 21. Data complete from corporate database ACC Equity suggested. Among these names, the 10 worst performance stocks in terms of valuation, including Tata Consultancy Service, the Indian Hostel Company, Tata Communication Ltd, Train Ltd, Tata Investment Corporation Ltd. Donald Trump's Iran ultimatum could send Bitcoin price crashing to 50K to here's how. Trump is considering military action against Iran and this could put BTC at risk of the further downturn, and history should as a possible strike range to send on Biotronics power, lower and direct the rebound. Within a few days, the share price ratio showed that BTC is heading toward a notable accumulation zones and the development. The technical setup suggested Bitcoin's price could slide below the critical supported level soon. However, if the parties agree to a deal, the cryptocurrency value might surge past 70,000. Bitcoin is currently trading around $67.822 down 47% for it is October 2025, all-time high of Bitcoin is currently trading around 67 down. The ultimate is the real and the military is ready.